Your love has made me confident to face life's challenges. Your care has sustained me through illnesses and wants. Your support has kept me secure amidst uncertainties and failures. I don't lack anything because you fill my life with everything I need to grow and develop. My earnest prayer for the Lord is for the Lord to bless you always with good judgment, discernment, and sound health. Once again, I love you.